everybody. Today we are going to demo a controlled handheld that uses the vehicle's license disc for scanning purposes to identify the vehicle. Firstly, we're going to go on the FMS process. Then we're going to press manual entry. You click on information. On the right hand side there is a blue button that scans the license disc. Then it will verify the vehicle's registration. Press continue. Then it will ask you for preset. We're not going to have a preset. We're going to fill up the vehicle. You say continue. Here it verifies again, second time, the vehicle's registration number. Confirm and proceed. Then the handheld will communicate with the station. It will switch on. You'll hear a beep. There's the beep. It will switch on the pump automatically. It will start dispensing. There it starts dispensing. You'll see on the box it is a green light, and then it will start dispensing. This is only for demo purposes, so it will be with the flow rate that your current pump is. You'll see as well that the liters there corresponds to what your liters here is. Once the vehicle has filled up, you can press stop there. It will stop the transaction. There it stops the transaction, and all that information will be allocated to that specific vehicle, which will be on your portal. Thank you so much.